Hi, people who are seeing this video right now. I know that you have some bots in your Discord server. If you have a Discord server, I will guess that you have some bots right there on your Discord server. But those bots, you don't really make them. You just add them from a website. But in this video, I'm gonna show you how to actually code your own bot so that people can add them to their own Discord server. It is very easy and you will see it right now. So the first thing that we need to do is go right there to our browser. Now we're gonna search for discord.com/developers/applications. Now you will be brought to that little page there and we're gonna click on new application. Right there, you're just gonna put right there the name of your bot. Okay, and now when we put right there the name of our bot, now we're gonna click create. Now we're gonna click bot. Now we're gonna click add bot. Now we're gonna click just do it. Now right there we're gonna put, this time we're not gonna put the name of our bot. We're gonna put usually the username of our bot. And then the icon of our bot. Now you're just gonna select if you want it to be a private bot or a public bot. I would recommend you to be a public bot, so that anyone can add it to your Discord server. Because if you say like a private bot, then only you can add it to your own Discord server. So I'm just gonna put that you want it to be a public bot. Now if you scroll down here, we're gonna put the bot permissions. I'm just gonna put all of that there. Okay, now we're gonna click Save Changes. And now we're gonna usually add our bot to our Discord server. Now if the bot is a private bot only for us, then okay, we will add it, it makes sense. But if the bot is for me and everybody and everything, then when will we like add it right now? Well, it's just to be testing some functions and everything. So we're gonna click on OAuth2. Now we're gonna select that little bot thing. Now we're gonna click copy. Now we're just gonna open a new tab right there, and we're just gonna we're gonna paste right there the little link there. Now we're gonna select the server where we wanna like test or usually use our bot. I'm just gonna put the EggWebTut. It says right there is bot because that is a Discord server of a bot that I made. Usually his name is EggWebTut. We're gonna click authorize. It usually has some commands and it's got right Discord bot. Well, right now we're not talking about it. We're just gonna put there that we're a human, of course, because they don't want animals. I mean, humans are animals too, but they want other type of animals. Now all we need to do, go to discord.com. usually open to our Discord server so that we can just be testing there and just seeing if our bot added. And we go to the bot that we're about to, and as we see right there, hey, the name of our bot, welcome to EggWebTut. And as we see it's right here, example bot 4. So now what we need to do for it to actually work, so that we can add some commands and everything, we need to go to a new tab. And we're gonna search right there for glitch.com. I'm gonna go right there to our dashboard. Right there. Right here. Manage your projects here. And click right there, new project. We're gonna put a Hello Schoolite project. You can usually change the name right there. I recommend you choose your bot name. So now we're gonna delete every package right there except package.json. I don't know. So we're gonna just delete all of that there. And that. Now we're gonna click right there on this package.json thing. Now we're gonna click add a package and we're gonna search right there for discord.js. Just add that package right there. Now we're gonna click right there new file. We're gonna put right there server.js. Gonna click right there at this file. Okay, so now we're gonna go to the server.js file. We're gonna put right there let discord is equal to require discord.js. I'm gonna put the client that. Okay. Now we're gonna learn how to create a command. So just follow me, okay? Okay, so look at that. Now we're gonna put right there what the person will say to the bot to say that command, right? The admin of the bot will say so that the bot says that. We're gonna put that right there. Gonna put that. Just make it say, hello, how are you? I'm gonna do this right there. That thing. We're gonna put that client dot login. Now we're gonna go back to this little page there. We're gonna click on bot. We're gonna click copy the token, right? So we're gonna copy the token. We're gonna add it right there. Now let's test it. So with this little code, what we did was just make the bot online. The little code was just for the message, and that was just for it just to make work there. So I'm gonna go there, and as we see, the online thing worked. As we see, this online the bot, because before it was just right there offline. I'm gonna see if the command works. So we just did for this hello like that. And as we see, the bot just answered hello, how are you? Now this thing they're called it bot just put hello because I put that to say hello when I do that too. So just ignore this when I just pay attention to that. Hello, how are you? As we see, we just see the commands work. So now we're gonna add a nor command. So how to add a nor command? So we're not just gonna do this right there and just put it below here. We're gonna do a different code for the second command, and this other command works too for the third command, for the fourth command, and everything of that, and more. The only one is the first one that needs to be like that. The second one is just this. We just need to like see this thing. put it there, like that. And we're gonna copy and paste that code, just that code, not this part. Now this, we're gonna put it below this. And now we're just gonna put that, and we're gonna put that little symbol there. Now just make sure to change it, because of course I don't think you will want the command to be the same. So we're just gonna put like best great bot. That is why people will say so that the bot says like whatever you want there. I am a great bot. Do you think the same? Now we're gonna test this out. We're gonna put right there. Wait. Great bot, like that. And now as we see, it just puts right there. I'm a great bot. Do you think the same? So now this was like the basics part of it, I will say, but I'm gonna do a second part of this video, so stay tuned, and bye. This was all the video. I'm gonna do the second part, okay? And bye. This was all the video. And please join my Discord server. The link is in the description. And bye. This was all the video. And bye. This was all the video.